silence fell. Where stars once rose, now stories dwell. They took our voice, but not our flame. Our songs still carry through the rain. Mountains watch the years go by. Sacred mountain, but still we stand and still we try. We rise up. Morning star is shining still. Long became free from sorrow down to our struggle sings our spirit loud. Raise the flag, don't let it fall. Hold it high, we are still standing through it all. Our tears have watered sacred ground. West Papua, hear our call. We are one, we are strong, we will be free. The world has turned its face away. Look now, but night will always turn to day. With every step we claim our right, our birthright, to speak, to sing, to rise and fight. Rise up. Children whisper dreams at night. I'm begging free. One people's truth denied too long. No voice can silence what is right. Don't let it fall. Raise it up. We are still standing through it all. Our tears have watered sacred ground. West Papua, hear our call. We are one, we shall be free. They tried to bury us, but they didn't know we would see. We are the breath of the forest, the beat of the drum, the voice of the morning star.
Headlines flash Ukraine and Gaza day by day, but morning stars rising gets no light of day. West Papua bleeds while cameras look away. Our Melanesian brothers stay silent. What can I say? Mampilong PNG na wata impirua. O signing paper na pasi mayelong heavy time out brata na susa bilong yumidai. Damani pasi mouse. Loga tua pela tok helicopter nene bakitana nene moyang. Tana kita tentara datang tapi media tidak datang. Mereka bilang demi keamanan tapi bohong. Dunia luar tidak tahu penderitaan kami. Villages burn while others turn the page. Young ones lost but missing from the stage. World news channels have nothing to say, but Melanesian blood runs through our veins.
How many children must die?